The UC Personal Insight questions. What is the importance of answering these personal insight questions? Why are they even attached to a UC application? For all UCs, this is a chance for them to better understand you, to see the person behind the application. And for some UCs, such as UCLA, it's even tied into the admission process. But this isn't just the chance for the UCs to see who you are. It's also an opportunity to provide information that supports and augments the review process. It enables you to make the best case possible for your admission, and is the chance to tell your own story. In addition to these questions helping out your overall application, they're also used for the scholarships you selected, as well as vying for entry into the Extended Opportunities Program, EOP, that were in the previous sections of the UC application. But what makes a great response? There are several aspects that are vital to your responses. If you have core values, if you convey vulnerability that helps the reader know more about you and feels closer to you, that your responses are illuminating, demonstrating so what moments, and that you're concise. These are all important tips to keep in mind when reading over your responses prior to submitting your application. But there are also some general do's and don'ts of writing these responses. Do be open, genuine, truthful, and focus on yourself. There may be important individuals who helped inspire you or support you, or that the event itself was life-changing, but the UCs are looking to hear about you. Think of it as 90% about you and 10% about those other factors. Don't be afraid to be personal. You are anonymous to the readers. Don't make up events to try to impress or astound the readers, because your story is impressive. Avoid repetition, inappropriate humor, acronyms, and absolutely avoid writing to one school if you're applying to multiple. For instance, even if UCLA is your dream school, make sure not to say something like, "You've always wanted to be a Bruins," when you're also applying to Santa Cruz, who's a banana slug, because they're going to be reading those responses as well. Each response allows for a maximum of 350 words. There is one mandatory question, and you can choose 3 questions out of the remaining 7 to make for a total of 4 responses. You must also write in the first-person narrative, using I's and me's, which help to provide that personal connection. Also, make sure to write your responses in a separate Word document, as to not lose any of your work or progress. Once you've completed your responses, copy and paste them in the correct question sections. Now that you have the tools to get started, take a look at our other videos that detail each question that is found in the UC application. And remember, have fun, good luck, and happy writing.